Hey, how you doing? This is Serge the Haiti as the dreaded CPA with effective tax solutions. And today I just wanted to go in and about one particular strategy that you can take with paying off your credit card debt. Right now we're in August. The holiday season will soon be coming up rapidly. So for those of you that have wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, husbands, this is the time of the year that you need to start planning so that your money is right. Now, the strategy that I take with my credit cards, if I have one, and the best ones to have is the one that give you some type of rewards. Um, some of the rewards that they offer are like travelers miles, and others, and another one is cash back. The card that I have right now is a Cashwise card from Wells Fargo that I'm using at the moment. It pays back 1.5%, and I really don't like credit cards because it's a I just don't like debt. Period. But in order to build your credit, you gotta play these games with the system. So this is the strategy that I use. What I do is, first of all, I have a budget, and with my budget, I know what I'm going to spend every month. So with that budget, I know also what my income is going to be for the month. So I know what my income is for the month. I know what my expenses are going to be for the month. So now I look at my credit card statement. Um, with the credit card statement, I will review that and analyze it to see, okay, which one of these expenses are reoccurring or non-reoccurring. And then at that point, I go ahead and start using the credit card. Like, for example, for someone that has a monthly expense of this, I'm thinking of a college student because I'm not far away from being a college student. For someone that has a monthly expense in their budget of about $1,200, and a monthly budget of income of $2,500, you're left with like 13 of disposable income. Now, with the credit card, most of your expenses you can't put on the credit card. For example, your rent in Florida, I think you can't put your light bill in there. If you have a student loan, you can't put that on there. Those are just a few for this particular example. Now, let's say your rent is 900, the light bill is about 60, so that's 960, and your student loans, because you're making only 2,500 a month, is $50. So that's what, 10, 10, 10. So that leaves you with a significant amount of disposable or the rest of your expenses for the month. So that's about 190 that you could put on your credit card. Now, $190 going on your credit card compared to the 13 that I said. That's a significant amount that you can, finance over the period. So what you can do is set up automatic payments with your bank online services. Have them take out, $100 a week. Or if you want to be more aggressive, you can have them take out $200 a week, because you got, for this example here, we got a person that's making 13. So there's 52 weeks in a year. Divided by 12 months, that's 4.33 times 200. That's about $800, right? 866, 867. And you put 110 on your credit card. So you pretty much are winning if you use this strategy, because one, every week you're putting money into the credit card, so your balance is never gonna be overdue. Two, there's no interest being charged. And three, if you have this reward system set up with the credit card, you're getting some type of cash back, 1.5%. So 1.5% of $100, $200, that's about $2, $3. Just to round it off. And then if you have any emergencies or something like that, you pretty much have the cash flexible. And this is a way to, manage your flexible spending, because you have variable costs, as I said in one of my previous videos, and you have fixed costs. So with the variable costs, you put in all those on the credit card. So at the month, you're gonna have to put some type of money out in order to take care of your variable expenses, such as food, entertainment, gas, buying clothes or whatever, buying gifts. And then again, like I said in the beginning of this video, the holiday season is coming up, so you're gonna have a budget for that. And this is a great strategy to use once you rack up all those bills and you need to pay it off, so you don't get yourself further into debt. So what you want to do with this strategy is, one, create a budget so you can know what your incomes are for the month, what your expenses are for the month. Two, be persistent with it. And three, make sure that you pay off your debts as consistently as possible, so that you can pay down your credit card to not, fall victim of the cycle of never getting out of debt. This is just a quick tip and pointer for those trying to get out of debt, those that are getting into debt, and those who are unsure about using debt, such as credit cards. I'm your dreaded CPA with Effective Tax Solutions. Have a great rest of your day.